I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course I'm going to ask you what your biggest business problem is.
I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course I'll give you 10 minutes to gossip on your tables.
I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course we push the start back to 10 o'clock. We don't like early starts. I'm a software developer. Of course I've ultra dumbed down all the terminology for you. I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course the Chamber of Commerce have asked me to make a video to increase social media engagement. I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course we're handing out freebies. I'm a software developer. Of course I'm going to throw in a Star Wars joke. I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course I'm going to get you to put your hands up like you're at school. I'm a software developer. Of course I'm going to tell you about a custom solution. I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course breakfast is included. I'm hosting a business workshop. Of course there's going to be awkward networking. So come along to Tier 2's business workshop on Tuesday the 5th of March to talk about your business challenges and define a tailored tech solution.